The topic which we are going to discuss is a binary phase diagram peritectic system. In case of binary phase diagram, we have different examples. For example, we have eutectic phase diagram and peritectic phase diagram. In case of eutectic diagram, you will be having two different components with almost same melting point. But in case of peritectic phase diagram, we have two different components with various melting points. That is, the difference between those two materials are very high. That is called a peritectic phase diagram. We'll see an example of peritectic phase diagram, that is silver platinum system. In case of this, melting point of silver is 961 degrees and platinum is 1768 degrees. That is, the melting point of both the components are very much in difference. The partial miscibility and melting points of the two pure components, that is silver and platinum, are vastly different. But in case of eutectic, the difference between the two components of melting points is it's not vastly different. The melting points of silver and platinum differ by more than 800 degrees centigrade. Here no pure components exist in any one of the composition. That is, always we'll have a mixed composition. That is, both the materials will be in dispersed mode. The phase first solidified is called alpha phase. The alpha phase represents platinum in silver. The phase solidifies later is called beta phase, where beta phase represents silver in platinum. We have two different phases, one is alpha, other one is beta. Here, the peritectic horizontal line is the tie line which defines the composition of the liquid phase, and the corresponding temperature is called peritectic temperature. Now we have the peritectic equation, that is liquid phase will become alpha plus beta while cooling. In the same vice versa, that is invariant alpha plus beta will give liquid while heating. Here we can see three different phases: liquidus, solidus and solvus, where liquidus means that solidification starting position is called liquidus. Solidus means the solid position, that is solidification ending point is called solidus. And solvus means there are two different phases, that is two solid phases which have different states is called solvus. Here we have solidus, liquidus and solvus state. Here we can see the microstructure of the silver platinum peritectic phase diagram. So now we will see the characteristics of peritectic phase diagram. Here silver and platinum have different melting points and peritectic reaction. Silver melts at 961 degrees and platinum melts at 1769 degrees centigrade. The peritectic invariant reaction occurs at 1200 degrees centigrade, where the peritectic composition of silver is 52% and platinum is 58%. The invariant reaction converts a liquid and a solid to a single solid phase. That is, peritectic reaction is L is equal to alpha plus beta, where liquid will become a two solid phase, that is alpha plus beta. Here we have seen the peritectic phase diagram with an example. Thank you.